Hi everyone, Angela here. Today I'm so excited. I have some plant mail that I'm going to open up and share with you all. It is my birthday week and I have no idea who sent this to me, so I'm hoping that there's some kind of indication inside. No one told me that, hey, heads up, there's a package being delivered today. So anyways, I don't know what is inside. Well, I have a suspicion. It's from Air Plant Shop on Amazon, and it's coming from Florida, but the name on there I don't know. So I mean, it's definitely a family or friend who has purchased this for me. But anyways, it's a birthday plant mail surprise, and I figured we would open it together. It literally just arrived a few minutes ago, and I was not planning on making a video today. I'm actually set up at my work computer doing like real work. Kellen is out sleeping in the chair or maybe watching his iPad, I'm not sure, but probably sleeping because he's quiet. Anyways, so I figured I'll take the time right now and we'll open this up together and see what kind of goodies are inside. So I already pre-cut it in the kitchen. Here, give me like a second. I didn't quite get it all. Okay, anyways, and so like I said, I'm at my workstation, so I don't really have the best lighting or anything for you guys. Look how cute it is in there. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, to Angela, Bill to Tanner. Okay, this is my brother, you guys. He is my like favorite person in the whole wide world. So it says some air plant care instructions. Thank you in advance, Tanner. I haven't even seen what's inside, but you are so sweet and I love you. Let's see. It says, congratulations on your new air plants. Thank you for your business. And then it gives some air plant instructions on here. So I'll have to read those thoroughly to see if there's anything new in there that I don't already know about air plants, but this is nice. I haven't ever seen anything like this. It says life cycle of air plants. The life cycle of air plants includes growth, bloom, and reproduction, which I did know that. And each plant will bloom several times during its life cycle. Before or after their bloom cycle, air plants produce growing pups from their base. I knew that. And actually, let me show you this, guys. Look how convenient this is. Okay, like I said, I didn't mean to be showing you this. But here is an example of a pup. I don't know if you can see it right under there. There you go, is one. These guys are a little dry and crispy right now. They need a good drink, but this is perfect timing. Yeah, I didn't even stage that, you guys. This is literally our construction zone of a bedroom right now. Yeah, and so that is just like how it is. Anyways, let's get to the good stuff, okay? So I'm so excited. Tanner is absolutely the best, and I love him. So again, it has air plant care here. I don't know if you can see that. Water, light, display. And then a coupon for my next purchase. So yeah, and this tells a little bit about how they're, let's see, they have an international nonprofit, Pencils for Promise. They build schools and train teachers and educate students about health and sanitation. So that's pretty cool, in Guatemala. Anyways, oh my gosh, okay, here it is. I have no idea what's inside. Are you guys excited? I am. Perdita came to join, so if you hear background noise, that's my big girl. Look at all of them. There's a lot in here, you guys. Oh, look. Ooh, I can feel like they're, ooh, I love them. Oh my gosh. Okay, there are, let's see here, guys. Stand up, see if I can get you a better angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beautiful plants here. I don't know. I'll have to look them up and find out what their names are. I have one like this, but it's tiny. This is huge, and these are so well watered. They traveled so well. Look at these guys. Look how cool that is. Tanner, thank you so much. This is the best birthday gift ever. I love it. Look at this big. Oh, I have to set these down to separate them. They are so cute. Okay, guys, I gotta show you my dogs here. They're fighting over the floor. Oh, they're so silly. Oh, oops, here, we lost one little leaf, but that's not bad. Hey, she can't even hear me. She's deaf. That's the worst part. Hey, come here, sassy girl. It's enough. Okay, so here we go, guys. Look. This one's like a very like dusty color. I don't know what they're called. They're like Mexican somethings. Let me see if it says on here. I'm trying to look at the piece of paper. Like an Ianantha Mexican. Yeah. Anyways, it says, you know, when I bring them home that they need a good soak, but I can tell like this one's actually heavy. It has some weight to it, so I'm not going to soak this one. But this lighter one seems to not have like fared so well, and it could probably use a nice drink. But these other two, well, 3 even, they're so big. Here, sorry, they're so big that they might not need a drink right away. I might give them a spritz. Since they're like out in fresh air again. This one, you guys, has like a purple on the inside. Look at that. So if you are not in love with air plants, you need to be. These are, I think they add so much dimension to a terrarium. I have a couple, I have a lot by my kitchen window. And they love the humidity, I think, from all the dishes that I do. And we live in Missouri, so it's kind of humid anyways in here. But she's trying to make a bed in the corner now, that girl. But they are just so fantastic. And I think there's so many different things you can like have them, like I made some wire hanging displays. They're so versatile, and they're just so different than every other like broad-leafed house plant that you have. In the summer, these can go outside. You just have to make sure that they, you know, don't get, if it's really windy, make sure they have a lot of water. Don't let them get too dried out, or they'll just crisp up and die. But look how beautiful these are, you guys. I'm so excited. Thank you again, Tanner. I'm gonna obviously not just make a video and talk about it, but I'll give him a call. Like I said, he's my younger brother that's like my absolutely favorite. So I'll give him a call and thank him and tell him that I opened the present early. But you know, when you have live plants delivered, you can't just leave them in a box, you know. Yes, honey, you can come here. Oh, he's naked. So we're potty training since we're home. And hopefully, yeah, don't show your naked butt. He's so goofy. Okay. Yeah, come show him your baby. Yeah, here's the baby. Okay, we're gonna go now. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, you can press the button too. Bye.